Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Come on, let's get into this video. But before we start, I must say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. I really do. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. We appreciate you as well. Come on now, let's get into this video. Okay, so today we are going to make some more salves. It's getting ready to be getting the holiday. It's getting cold outside. I have to re-up for my Etsy shop. So let's get these salves going because you know we're going to infuse them for 4 to 6 weeks, okay? So today's salve we will be making, and we won't make it today, but the next video, but we're going to talk about the benefits. And we are going to make muscle relief. So it's going to be good for back pain, joints, muscle aches. So let's talk about it, okay? But before we start, today is shout out Mondays. Shout out Mondays. And today's shout out subscriber goes to Knotty Couple Creations. Thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. That's Knotty Couple Creations. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for joining Glennceria Loving Hands family. All right, so we are going to talk about the benefits of natural herbal salves. Well, salves helps to heal wounds. They moisturize the skin. They help with pain relief and skin irritations. Salves are easy to make, you know that, and you only use them in small amounts, okay? So carrier oils that we will be using will be extra virgin olive oil, okay? We're gonna be using extra virgin olive oil. Of course, I have my notes here so I don't miss out on anything, okay? So what you're going to need for this salve that I'm going to be making for muscle pain will be extra virgin olive oil, okay? We're using cayenne pepper, all right? We also have ground ginger, organic ground ginger, organic cayenne pepper, okay? We have organic black pepper, and we also have organic rosemary herbs. So once again, we have cayenne pepper, we have ground ginger, we also have black pepper, and we have rosemary herbs. Okay, so let's go over the benefits. The benefits of, and you're gonna need beeswax. And the properties of beeswax is antibacterial properties. It helps with cracked skin. It's an anti-inflammatory, okay? And it moisturizes without clogging up your pores. So that's the benefits of beeswax. The benefits of cayenne pepper is it helps with blemishes. It improves and fills the look of your skin. It increases oxygen and blood flow to your skin. It is enriched in vitamin C and E. It helps with wrinkles, dark spots, and acne spots, okay? And that's cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. All right, the next one will be ground ginger. Ground ginger helps to reduce inflammatory. It helps with pain. It soothes irritation of skin. It helps improve skin appearance. And it has the ability to heal. Absolutely. All right. Next one up is black pepper. It's an antibacterial. It exfoliates dead skin. It stimulates blood circulation, which helps oxygen to flow to your skin, which is great. Also helps with wrinkles and other skin issues. All right. Rosemary. It has a calming property. It helps with chronic stress. It's an antitoxin. It strengthens the immune system. And it also helps with blood flow and improves circulation. Okay? So, that's it. That's what we have. Once again, organic cayenne pepper, organic ground ginger. We have also organic black pepper. And the last but not least, we have rosemary herbs. Okay, and of course you have your beeswax, and we are going to infuse with extra virgin olive oil. All right, come right back. The quote of the day: be positive, be grateful, live an abundant life. Quote of the day once again is: be positive, be grateful, and live an abundant life. Well, next video, we will be making our muscle pain salve. Okay? Thank you so much for coming in and joining me for this video. Shout out Monday goes again to the subscriber, Knotty Couple Creations. Thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. Okay, family, I love you to death. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And love you always from Glennceria Loving Hands. I see you in my next video, okay? Come on back because we're making the salve. Or we're going to start to infuse it for the 4 to 6 weeks. Let's get into it, okay? Have a great day. Enjoy your Monday. Love you. Bye-bye for now.